So what's going on, guys, everybody? So today in this video we are going to talk about the project settings in DaVinci Resolve, and I talked about this project settings later because it's not that important, because I also do not change the project settings in time in my any project, just the resolution and the frame rates. So I also not do anything deep in it, so we are not going to go deep inside it. We are just going to talk about the important things in the project settings in DaVinci Resolve. So let's hop in. So this is our DaVinci Resolve, and we do not need to upload any media. To open the project settings, on the bottom right corner you see this small gear icon. This helps us to open the project settings. Or there's another way to open project settings, which is go in this DaVinci Resolve and preferences. This also opens the project setting. So let's click here and open the project settings. And these are different settings: the black magic cloud, image scaling, color management, journal options, camera raw, etc. But we are only going to talk about this page master settings, and we are not going to also go more deep inside this. Also, we are just going to talk about few things. So let's start with it. And right now, the most important thing is this timeline format in the master settings and the project settings of the project untitled project 14. The name will display here of any project you are setting the project, like if the name is ABCD of the project, and so in the project settings it will show ABCD. So right now the timeline resolution is 1920 by 1080, which is the HD format, the basic HD format, which is also used in YouTube. The resolution is the quality of the video, so you can select anything from here. In the free version of DaVinci Resolve, the maximum is the 4K, which is the Ultra HD. And if you have the studio version or the paid version, it has till the 8K resolution, but right now we only have till the Ultra HD resolution and from 720 to this 3840 pixels Ultra HD. So, and this is for processing, like the format of the video. This is the timeline resolution. This tells about the quality of the video, but this tells about the format. Right now it's the format is like the landscape format, the normal format. If I will write 1080 here and 1920 here, it will do the short form content format, like which is the short form content, like the vertical content. So it will tick this checkbox also, or you can do it by checking this box. Now these are the timeline frame rates. Okay, these are the frame rates of the timeline which we want to export. If your video is 60 frame rates per second, so set 60 frame rates per second. Or if it's 24 frame rates per second, set 24 frame rates per second. If you set different from the frame rate of the video which you have uploaded here in DaVinci Resolve, so it makes the video faster. Like once before I had uploaded media of 30 frame rates per second, and I set the timeline frame it at 68, so the video get too fast. So leave it as it is. You do not need to change the frame rates. And this is video monitoring. This is for if you have the external monitor. Right now I don't have any external monitor, so I will go down right here. Now what's proxy media? Now proxy media is that it compresses the whole video and makes it smaller. Like it's used in 8K, 12K resolutions. And this is the location where the proxy media generates. And this is the cache file location, which makes the DaVinci faster. These cache files make the DaVinci playback faster, and etc. etc. Then once you have done everything, press on save and done. Okay, if you want to make a medium 4K, if you want to make 4K, so you can do it like this. Okay, and if you want vertical content, and there is one more way to do it. This is the way, 1080 by 1920, which we wrote manually, and this checkbox, this box also. And there are total 3 ways to make vertical content. One is to from select here, and one is to right here to make the opposite, 1920 at the end and 1080 at the start, and one is way to check this box. Now we have done the project settings, and till now I have made 6 episodes till now, and this is the 7th, and I'm discussing about the project media. I'm going to talk about the delivery page also. So this is the file name. Okay, and I'm going to add the Fairlight before the Fusion, because Fusion is more deeper and complicated than the Fairlight page. This is the Fairlight page. You see here we do audio, and I also not know about it that much. Okay, so this is the file name and title. Right now we cannot export anything because we have not done anything or imported some media, any media. Let's import some media. So I have uploaded some media, this meme of Sweaty Gamer. Right now our resolution is the vertical format, as you know, because we have in the project settings, we have the settings and check this box, use vertical resolution. So we are going to uncheck it, save, and now this is the real resolution of it. Let's zoom it a little. And till now I have not talked that much about the inspector, because it's not that important. It's important, but you will learn about it before only by trying the things. From here you can zoom the basic position X, position Y, and this is the rotation. Okay, this is anchor point, and this is pitch, and this is yaw, like this. These are the composites modes. These also help us to use the overlays also. This is the opacity, how much you want to view it. If you do it 100%, so it will view everything, but if you make it less, it will view like this. If I do it 50%, it build the whole half like this. And this is stabilization. I do not use stabilization, lens correction, retime, scaling, and AI super scale. This all is the studio version thing. See, this is studio version. Okay, and this is audio. If you have a audio in your video, like I have a audio in this, so you can use the equalizer. We are going to talk about this all in the Fairlight page only. Okay, the equalizer, the semitone sense, you can edit anything. You can increase the pan, volume, and etc. So let's come again on the delivery page. Right now I can name it anything you want and browse where you want to export it. Right now I want to export in movies in DaVinci Resolve folder, which will be created automatically if you download DaVinci Resolve. And this is the format. This right now is QuickTime. Do not select QuickTime, select MP4, and the codec should be H264. Okay, and from here if you select the timeline resolution, it will also say to select it from the project settings. Okay, I want to use the normal HD, and from here you can also take the use character resolution, use vertical resolution, and etc. And if you add a higher resolution renders, so you have to change it from the timeline resolution from the project settings. Right now I will uncheck this. I will add to render queue. Okay, and this is the render queue. Okay, from here you they are named jobs. These jobs come and you render. From here you can select entire timeline or in and out range. Right now if I press I here and O here, so it will render this much part only. Okay, but if I select entire timeline, it will select the entire timeline and export it. Then if I render all, it will render the video and it will export it on the selected location. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, share the videos with others, and till then, bye bye.